I came to MIT in 1965 as a graduate student, and then joined the faculty in 1970. I've been with MIT non-stop since either 65 or 70, depending on your point of view. But I always try to make an effort to spend also enough time with industry. I spent time with the predecessor of Chevron, which was Gulf, in Houston. I spent time with the U.S. Navy in Washington, D.C. So I always try to keep my hands also close to what industry is interested, so we can maintain that relation. The principal areas of research are primarily in the area of ship design. Offshore platforms and ships are the two main areas. And then much more recently, about the last 10 years, in underwater vehicle design. So these are the principal foci of my research. I run a lab where I actually have real gadgets that I take out in the ocean, and we deploy them and do test the hypothesis. Try to mount the sensors that are used for measuring the properties of the ocean, which are then used in our everyday research, both in sensing the ocean and also operating successfully in the ocean. In ship design, the most exciting area of research right now is what is referred to as the all-electric ship, which is trying to get all the power through an electric motor, so you can have the energy in the places where you need it, rather than where the mechanical device that produces the energy is. This is of fundamental importance in modern warship design, because we do need a lot of power to run some of the more exotic sensors that we have, and yet the high speeds that we are required to go to require a lot of power. So if we had to provide power for both entities, namely power and propulsion, and propulsion and sensors, the amount of energy that we will require will just be exceedingly expensive and therefore infeasible. So the electric power, which allows you to divert some of the power from the electric motors to sensors and vice versa, is really our savior, if you like, trying to make the thing affordable, shall we say. Similar problems exist in the offshore industry, because right now a lot of power is required far away offshore. So, we're required to take power from a central location and disperse it under the sea in a subsea completion, for example. We're talking about distances that are starting to become significant, namely of order perhaps of 100 kilometers sometimes, are being contemplated now